Yeah, so as y'all see, man, it ain't take that long to get to the bread. You get what I'm saying? Nice little day, quick little day, but let's get into the trade. So basically, the move I caught was Nvidia. This the move I caught, y'all. I caught this little bit of move right here. I caught this move right here. You get what I'm saying? This little box at. Probably, I think it was about right. I caught that little move, and look how much I left on the table. I left about maybe $3 more. Let's see what it did. Yeah, about $3 more on the table. But let me tell you my thesis behind me going short, grabbing them put options today. As you can see, yesterday, Nvidia from 2 o'clock did this sell off. Hold on, let me get the right tool. Did this sell off from 2 o'clock. Nvidia had this sell off. Now look at this sell off. It's straight down. You see green can. Let's see it on a 5 minute. Get what I'm saying? Let's see it on the 15 real quick. Look at just straight red on the 15. This the move. Look at it. Look on the 15. As y'all see, I already got this line, this level, cause this from earlier. But let me move this up real quick. Let me put it right there. Cause you see where it sold off at. But yeah, straight red candles on the 15 minute. But when we go to the 3 minute, you can see a little green in there. But check this out though. Let me see if it's gonna show up, because it's gonna show up. Look at the volume. Look at the volume start to pick up towards the end of the session yesterday. Out of the whole day, you see the volume. It wasn't really crazy. But as we start to get towards the close, as the end of the session was coming upon us, the volume started to pick up, and that's like real strange to me. You get what I'm saying? So this is what I find out around like almost 5 o'clock yesterday afternoon. The reason was behind that, Nvidia, they did an offering. They did a chef mix offering, meaning they was raising cash, meaning they filed some paperwork to where they selling their shares, you know what I'm saying, on the open market to raise some money, 10 billion. So I'm like, oh, okay. So now that I know that, now it makes sense how I just sold off like that. You get what I'm saying? Like, damn, like, why? I'm like, yo, that's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Because the whole day it was kind of holding up. You know, we had this little low of the day right here. Then look at the rally we got off of it. But once we got back to this 2 day, well, 1 week supply zone, it just started to sell off, and it sold off like straight down. So me knowing the offering, I'm coming in today like, okay, Nvidia is definitely gonna be on the watch list, definitely coming in, and this is what I'm looking for. So once I get that, look at this move right here. As you see where we open at, we open where we close at. You see sellers came in. Let me make this a little bit bigger for y'all. Hold on. Excuse me. All right, yeah, as you can see, come on, let's do it. We see we open, sellers came in. Look at the volume. Just off the rip, you see this big volume bar come in, and then you see sellers push it down. You see the video try to push up and then got rejected about right here. Remember, I had this line already. This is what I had set. The reason why I set it like that is because, let's go back to right here. Look at this right here. So I'm already looking to play off that level, because as you can see, back on the 27th, this area became a little area of support, like all this right here. But so that I got the line draw from there all the way to over here, right where the open and the close at. So once we see when the video came in, look at the sell off from that line. You see the volume pick up, a bunch of heavy volume. So I'm saying to myself, okay, I'm waiting for it to get back here because I ain't want to jump in it like that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't want to jump and get no early entry. So I want to wait until we go back to retest this level. And when we go back to retest the level, that's when I'm gonna grab my put options, and that's when I'm gonna ride the wave. Now let's see what happens. Bam. We get this. We get the engulfing green candle push right back up to that level, and also push to this white line, and we see it push through VWAP. So I see that. Let me hold on. So I see that. I'm like, okay, so we getting what we want. Now all I'm doing is waiting for my buy signal. Next candle. Bam. There we go. We get the rejection. And what I do? Oh, let me move it over some. What I do? Get 3 contracts. Right about, hold on, here. Soon I see it. 3 contracts right there. Stop loss. Right there. Stop loss is to get back up here on a clean break. I'm out. Let's see. Next candle. And also look what we got. We also got this area we reject off of, and look what else we got that's helping us get an extra layer resistance. We got the white line, we got the EMA 9 line, help pushing the stock down. As you can see with the green candle, it was a pierced tail. They sellers come in, then you see the red candle, and then you see this green candle with the tail. So we see 3 tails forming, so that's already giving us confidence. Let's go next candle. Okay, we starting to get the push down. You still see move this over some. Well, you still see the white line still acting as a level resistance, giving us another level of resistance. Let's go next candle. Bomb. Now we starting to get the rollover. What I do? Sell 1 contract right here. Reason why I sell it, because I sell it at the initial morning low, because this where we got the bounce in at. So I want to make sure I get that off right there automatically, just to lighten up my position, take some risk off. So let's see what happened. Now we see what we see. We see the white line crossing over the purple line, and we also see another tail. So we really see the white line is really helping us out with this resistance, keeping the stock from going back above. And we see tails every time we see tails near the white line. So now we got a tail through VWAP and through the white line. And we back at the low of the day where I took my first profit. Let's see. Okay, we're getting the crossover now. Y'all see the crossover, and we starting to push down. Next candle. Bam! Look at this beautiful engulfing bearish candle. What I do? Sell another contract. Ain't playing with them. Right here. So now that's 2 contracts gone. I got 1 contract left. Next candle. And once we get the extend, I sell my last contract right here. So that was it, man. That basically was the trade. It really wasn't no stress. Stress-free trade. You'll see it on the playback after this. The news we played off, the boys filed the offering after the close, so we already knew what that was going to do. So we were just waiting for it to hit our supply level, our area of resistance, and then waiting for the confirmation to come in. Sellers start to push the stock down. We jump in and we just ride the wave. And the reason why, let me show y'all the reason why I took this this final profit at this $28 level. Because look though, we still went lower. You get what I'm saying? Like, we still went lower. So I left a little bit on the table. Look at that. We still went lower. Pull the screen back. Look at that. Let me move this up here. We still went lower. Look how much I left on the table. You get what I'm saying? So the only reason I left on the table because I ran out of contracts. That was it. You get what I'm saying? That was it. I just ran out of contracts. But the reason why I took my final one right here is because let's pull the screen back. Maybe matter of fact, let me go to the 15 minute. It's this level right here. We had that one, and also we had this one. I didn't make it to this one. I made it to this one. You get what I'm saying? So you see this area right here? This was the reason. I sold my final contract because I knew that was an area of support. As you can see, that day we had the tail push down, and we retested it, making it an area support. So I know once we get, making an area of resistance. So once I know we get to that level, the stock might bounce. So I just sold my last contract, and then once we bring it over, well, you see my last contract being sold. Let's go to the 3 minutes so you can see even better. Look, well, you see my last contract being sold right there. Sold the one before that on this big move, and then once we got there, so the last one. Hindsight 2020, say I should have hold, you know what I'm saying, to try to get this one, but nah, I ain't doing that. I'm trying to be prudent, trying to do the right thing, trying to put the profit in my pocket. That's the best place for it. You feel what I'm saying? And then it was a textbook trade, man. So yeah, man, y'all go ahead, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, share. Don't forget to take notes, man. Rewatch this, see what I did, you know what I'm saying. If it can help you, then you know what I'm saying, use it. If it can't, then you know, just give the video a thumbs up, man. And I catch y'all tomorrow with another banger, hopefully, man. I'm out.